Hi, hope everyone is very well. It's absolutely freezing here in the pottery today. My hands are so cold it's untrue. I've got the heating on and everything else, but you know what it's like when you work in the pottery, it's always very cold. I've just got some stampers that I wanted to go through with you today. So these are done by my sister. So again, Crafty as a Fox is the company name, and she's produced these lovely little stampers, and we're going to see how they stamp into the surface of clay today, and just sort of give you just a quick sort of see of what we've got. So this time, she says, so this time she has done these lovely little light bulbs, and it's also got some sort of sayings as well, saying shine bright. So really sort of nice little captions with this as well. So we're just going to have a quick go and just sort of see what this is sort of really like, actually, if I'm honest, just to sort of see what it prints like. Sometimes these little stamps work really well, and sometimes with ceramics they're not quite as good, but we're going to have a go. So I'm going to place onto the surface, going to use my roller, and I'm just going to sort of press that into the surface. For me, I think the more textured ones seem to work the best. So these here, so these are like little tiny rubber stamps. And I've got this like little starburst, so I'm going to put that just underneath where the light bulb is and roll that in. So let's take a look at that one. So the starburst comes out really nicely, and actually so does that. So if I just cut that out so you can see it, which is better. So I'm just doing this on the off cut of clay, so you can see that prints really nicely into the surface. So yes, so those two parts are good. That's all right as well. So I maybe need to sort of press a little bit harder. That's that one. I think I'm going to just press a little bit harder with that. To the opposite side and just sort of see. Oh, that's better. So yeah, press a bit harder with that and you'll get the lines sort of come through. So that is that one. I quite like this one here, which is the more rounded one. So let's have a go with that. And again, I'm going to add the little tiny burst of light. Oh yeah, that works really nicely as well. Right, so you can just see it. So that's rather nice. And then we've got the big light bulb. That's nice as well. So that one there, that's particularly nice as an impression into the clay. And then we've got these little ones here. So we've got these ones here. So let's have a go with that. Oh yeah, that works. So that's the smaller one. Could make a really nice pattern. And the slightly larger one. And there's that one there. So again, that actually makes a really nice pattern. Really nice. So actually they work really nicely. So let's see how the lettering comes out. So I'm going to use some of my little offcuts. So let's go for Shine Bright first. Oh yeah, that works really nicely. Yeah, very good. Okay. And then we've got some slightly smaller typeface. Live life in the light. You bring light to my life. Don't let others extinguish your light. So I'm just going to press that down on the surface. Roll over. So those would be really quite nice on the surface of porcelain. That actually works really nicely. Because if you were making like a tea light and you had these word ones in the surface, when the light's behind it, that will shine through really, really nicely. So I might try and do a couple of little tea lights with these captions in the surface. Yeah, that works nicely as well. You see that? What you can also do is you can place these onto like a little plastic block and actually print with those blocks as well. So you don't have to do what I'm doing here at the moment, which is just pressing them into the surface. You can actually attach these to like a plastic block for card printing, and then you could actually take that onto your clay as well. I'm being lazy, if I'm honest. And as always, I've got about 5 minutes until I need to go and pick up the kids. Right. You've got that one there as well. So actually they've come out really, really nicely. So nice prints from all the blocks. So I've just rolled over the back of that one. You can sort of see nice big typeface on the Shine Bright. Impression of one of the lights with the starburst. I call it starburst. I think it's a light burst actually, if I'm honest. That one there as well. So I think this one here is then designed to go with this one here, and that just sort of fits over the top, and then you would print, if you were card making, print that over the top. Just have a go at this. And yeah, so then you actually get the filament in there as well. Yeah, so really nice little stampers. And I've shown you what I had the other day as well, where we were going through the actual stencils. God, my brain's gone. We were going through the stencils, and I will be doing some more workshops as well with those, just to sort of show you what you can do with them. So this was just a quick sort of show you what they print like, and then what I will do is I'll develop a couple of pots with these on the surface, so you can actually just sort of see what we can do afterwards. I might actually look at doing a bit of inlay with this as well, so printing onto the surface. So if you don't know what inlay is, printing onto the surface and then taking a bit of clay over the top and then scraping it back so the coloured clay sits in all of these crevices. So that would be quite nice. So I'll do that with you actually. So that'd be a nice little workshop for you to sort of have a look at. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. I've got to go get kids now. So take care of yourself, and hopefully we'll see you soon back at Field Place Pottery. All right, all the best. Bye.